Welcome to Kensington Square Gardens. Today, I'm going to show you flat 43, Garden House. All of Garden House's properties come with the shared communal gardens, which is Kensington Square Gardens, and you are but just about 10 minutes walk from Bayswater from here. One of the most exclusive and iconic locations in London on this quintessentially British street. Let me show you. Welcome to Garden House.
Good morning.
Morning, Abdul. This leads you out onto the concierge, which is manned 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And then to the rear, we have the gardens. To the rear of all of these apartments, you get access to Kensington Square Gardens, which is the shared communal garden space for everyone that lives here. Huge open space, beautiful lawns, everything that you need if you just want to come and relax outside, get a little bit of fresh air, in a W2 location. So now you've seen outside, let's take you to see the apartment. Garden House has got 2 passenger lifts that allows access up and down the building 24/7. Welcome to 43 Garden House. 43 Garden House is set on the 4th floor, northeast facing, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. As you enter, you've got this gorgeous open plan living kitchen area, gorgeous rich walnut flooring throughout, 3 bay windows here overlooking the garden grounds, automatic blinds, spotlighting throughout, underfloor heating, beautiful area for dining and living, and the kitchen is a designer kitchen, integrated Miele appliances, wine cooler, everything that you need in an executive apartment. So 43 has got 2 bedrooms, the first of which is this one. 2 beautiful sash windows, again leading out onto the garden, immaculate spec, built-in wardrobes throughout, plush carpets, absolutely gorgeous. Next to the first bedroom, you've got the family bath. And then you've got the second bedroom, which is fully en-suited. Shower room, tiled. So you've got built-in wardrobes, and again, more sash windows, allowing plenty of light and air into this absolutely stunning apartment. If you need any more information about this property, then contact me on any of the details that's about to follow.